To another video. Today I was supposed to shoot a prank, but it started raining, so I'm going to be helping strangers with an umbrella. Shout out to Luke Donahue, he's the one who did it first. Links at the top of that description. Enjoy the video. Wait! Oh, sorry. It's wet out there.
Thank you.
Yeah. Sorry to startle you.
You're good. Where'd you get this umbrella from?
Target. It's, yeah.
Yeah.
But it's yours now. Ladies.
Oh, scared me.
Oh, sorry. I can't risk you guys getting wet by the rain there. It's,
Not wet today.
Alright, you guys have a good day.
Thank you. It's not even Sunday, it's Saturday.
Hey, oh, yeah.
You guys join the
Yeah, come on in. Come on in. Come on. Alright. So, what are we doing today?
So, I've been waiting for 2 hours to get my phone fixed.
Oh, no.
Frank, you fix it, but they sent us to 7th Street and Phoenix.
Jesus, more like you break, you send it.
Yeah, dude.
Right?
Right? I work here every day of the week, so it's taking 2 hours of my day to be here.
Well, hey, now you're dry. So there you go.
Thank you.
Come on under.
Thank you. Thanks, Dad.
You got it, son. Oh, you go over there? I can't do that. I'm sorry, guys. All right, see ya.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. Oh, just you had the camera. I didn't want you to.
Yeah, it was a little weird first, but I was like, what the hell's going on?
Oh, yeah, I got you.
Thank you.
Yeah. I want to know. I want to know. Have you ever seen the rain? No, because you're dry now because of the umbrella. Of course. Are you in here? All right, let's go.
Okay.
All right. Love you. You too. Yeah. Just, you know, the rain is, wow, it's wet out there. Or is it, just me?
It's wet.
Yeah. All right, let's go.
Appreciate you.
All right. All right, see ya. Sorry. Yeah, I couldn't possibly be selfish. So, yeah, come along. So, what are we doing today?
I'll pick up in front of the airport right now.
I don't really feel like doing that. So I'll probably leave you after this.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
Fair enough. What are you doing today?
Just, you're looking at it.
Gentlemen.
That's right.
What's your guys' channel name?
Umbrella Guys.
Umbrella Guys? Really?
Yeah. If you look up the Umbrella Guys, we travel the nation doing this. We storm chase. All right, see you guys. Sorry guys, we're just making a fun video like shielding people. Yeah. Is it cool if we use that for a video?
Yeah.
Thank you guys. Have a great day. Sorry about that. We're just making a fun video like helping people with the rain.
Oh, are you?
Yeah, he's over there. Are you guys okay if we use that clip?
Yeah.
Thank you guys. Have a good day. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Peace! Mom! 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 Okay.